Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into HomeStreet Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.homestreet.com. After you come across this official page, click on the profile icon on the top of your screen. Then you can select the type of account you want to log in. Here I'm going to choose personal account. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here you'll have to enter your user ID associated with your account. Then click on continue button. And in the next page you'll have to enter your password. After that, follow through the prompts till the end and then fill in the information that is needed. And that is how you can log into HomeStreet Bank online banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.